Ever wondered how those automated text messages from your favorite brands magically appear on your phone? Today, we're diving into Plivo, a powerful platform that lets you send SMS messages programmatically. First, head over to Plivo.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the messaging section of your Plivo dashboard here. You'll find a Send Message button. Give it a click. You'll now see the Send Message form in the source number field. Enter the Plivo phone number you've purchased or are using for testing. Next, enter the recipient's phone number, including the country code, in the destination number field. Now for the fun part. Type your message in the message text field. Keep it concise and engaging. For example, you could type, "Hi there. Your order is on its way." Double check your source number, destination number, and message text, and then hit that Send Message button. And just like that, your SMS message is sent. The recipient should receive it almost instantly. Beyond the web interface, Plivo offers a robust API if you want to integrate SMS sending directly into your application. Explore the API documentation for code examples in various programming languages. And that's it. You've successfully sent an SMS message using Plivo. Start exploring all the possibilities Plivo has to offer for your business's communication needs.